Welcome back to our channel, guys. How are you all? At this time, we have prepared a list of top 10 brands in Nepal. Well, we know your home is your dream. Any concrete structure you build or any building that you establish is a product of your hard-earned money. You invest a lot to build it. Eventually, designing it on paper to seeing it being built right in front of you is a sense of satisfaction. Another important concern is painting your house with the right paint. Definitely, you want to choose the best color for your house. Indeed, by best, we mean the perfect set and a quality product. People take time to choose the best quality color which suits your personality and creates an impression. The quality of the paint matters because we may not paint again for at least 2 to 3 years. So let's begin with the list. Pashupati Paints is the first paints manufacturing company based in Nepal. It was established in 1984. Its quality product has emerged as a benchmark for paint industry in Nepal. Pashupati Paints is a Nepal standard and ISO 9001-2000 certified company. It is a popular and provides affordable quality products to the customers. Manufacture a wide range of decorative industrial paints such as interior and exterior emulsion paints, enamel paints, cyclic distempers, texture paints, epoxy paints for floors, road marking paints, varnish, and so on. Apollo Paints is another Nepal-based paint company which was established in 2004. It is a Nepal standard and ISO 9001-2000 certified company. It produces all kinds of interior and exterior paints, emulsion paints, gold and silver paints, decorative paints, enamel, cement paints, waterproof paints, metal paints, and many more. Its head office is located at Chitwan with branches in Kathmandu and Pokhara. Jasmine Paints. Jasmine Paints Private Limited is a paint manufacturing company of Manakamana Group established in 1994. It is an ISO 9001-2000 and Nepal Standard certified company in Nepal. The company produces all kinds of interior and exterior paints, emulsion, enamels, gold and silver paints, waterproofing products, powder-based colors, and many more. It is one of the most used paint brands in Nepal and provides a variety of products in an affordable price range. Asian Paints. Asian Paints is a very popular paint in Nepal. It is an Indian-based top paint company in the world. Asian Paints Nepal is one of its subsidiaries established in Nepal in 1983. Asian Paints Nepal manufactures and sells decorative as well as industrial coating paints. Its decorative paints includes wall paint for interior and exterior surfaces, enamels for metal and normal woods, specialized wood coating, and ancillary products like primers and putties. Berger Paint. It is one of the most popular and quality paints available in Nepal. It has started its operation in Nepal as Berger J&N Nepal since 2000. It is actually an Indian company that has also its subsidiaries in Nepal, Bangladesh, Russia, and Poland. Berger is one of the top paint manufacturing and marketing companies in Nepal. There is a wide range of decorative products ranging from distempers to highly luxurious silk glamorous paints. These paints are affordable and high quality for both interior and exterior painting. Berger Silk is one of the most loved paints for a glamorous look. Kansai Nerolac Paints. Kansai Nerolac Paints Limited is a subsidiary of Kansai Paints Company Limited, Japan. It operates in Nepal under the brand name Kansai Paints Nepal Private Limited, a conglomerate of Shalimar, Nepal. It provides high-quality paints manufactured by using Japanese technology. There are a variety of products including interior, exterior wall paints to a very luxurious paints for a decoration. There are high-quality weathercoat paints, texture paints, and emulsion in Nerolac. At the end of this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down which paint company you like personally. Keep loving our channel. Thank you. Take care.